Oh yeah, I got that fresh Wiseco top end. Here by myself today. It might be a little muddy, but hey, still gonna send it. Yeah, I got the fresh Wiseco forward piston. Gave it lots of time to warm up because it's a little chilly. Should be running perfect today. Originally it was running pretty rich, but with the cold weather, it should be perfect today. Feels like it's running pretty clean, which I'd rather run it a little richer, but it'll be fine. This thing, it's so much snappier already, I can feel it. You know, the new piston makes the bike really wake up. I got 60 hours out of the old, or not the old, sorry, the stock OEM piston. Which is, the way I ride that bike, I probably should have done it 10 or 20 hours earlier, but definitely wanted to get my life out of the piston, that's for sure. Because, I mean, they're not super expensive, they're less than an exhaust system. Oh, this is new. But yeah, I can feel this thing like so much snappier. It runs a whole lot cleaner. Could also be my jetting, but because today it's running really well, but still, it's like thing feels a lot snappier than OEM. And then the track's gonna be great, so today should be a good day, you know. Nice and chilly, the track's great. And yeah, we have a nice and snappy bike here. Got that factory power back. Holy crap, this thing pulls. Haha, this thing pulls, dude. Man, it's like I'm on a hold it for a bike or something. Guys. This thing's cool, man. I mean, again, I'm sure it could just be the jetting since it's really good today, but still, I think. Man, that new top end really woke the bike up. You know, I can kind of feel the old top end with the mix of the jetting. It kind of wasn't running at its greatest, and now it's just running so clean. I did get a few heat cycles on the top end, which, you know, on a two-stroke top end, only idling it for a few, not idling it, but running it for a few minutes can only do so much. So yeah, today's gonna be a perfect day for braking. Jetting good. Track is gonna be great for braking, and I'm feeling pretty good. Rock. Heck yeah, 135 is all fresh, and this thing hasn't blown up yet, so that's a good sign. Oh man, this thing just runs so crispy now. Oh man, this is awesome. It pulls so nice, it's like, it's not all over the place. And the track feels super good. Oh, today's gonna be a good day. Cold, but not too cold. Rough. Take this new line here. Yeah, it needs to be broken in, but feels like a good line. Oh, this thing feels fast. Yeah, guys, the new top end really woke up the bike. This is awesome. stroke. All it has is a new piston and needle bearing, you know. So I don't need to go super easy on it, you know. I didn't even touch the bottom end, so yeah. I'm sure we can get another rebuild or two before I have to even touch it. I don't know, I'll just monitor all that. But let me tell you guys, take good care of your bikes and they'll take good care of you. Let's just put it like that. I pride myself in taking really good care of this bike because I do all the work myself. Not all of it. There's a lot of stuff I need help with once in a while, but I try and do mostly maintenance stuff on my own and maybe a little more. Keep this thing all clean, and it's really paying off. So yeah, if you want your bike to run great and last forever, all you gotta do is take good care of them. I'm gonna be trying to go a little easy on the bike, you know, just still having lots of fun, but not gonna be wide open or anything. Just so everything can break in real nice.
Mm-hmm.